Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So I'm going to go ahead and create this floral arrangement for an area in my home. So come on with me, guys. So now I got this cylinder vase from the Dollar Tree, and I went ahead and embellished the front of it with some BB Craft multi-color chain. Now, beside the embellishment from BB Craft, all of the items that I purchased to make this arrangement did come from the Dollar Tree. So now, because this color yellow feels like so refreshing to me, I decided to go with this color. And then I found the lime stems at the Dollar Tree and a whole bunch of fruits. But anyway, we were making the arrangement, so we got to stay focused. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, just a reminder, make sure and head on over to my community tab where there you're going to see the calendar of collaborations for the month. Remember, they're all open invites for your enjoyment and your growth. So I have to head back to the Dollar Tree to see if I can find some more of these lime stems because this arrangement is looking pretty gorgeous. Okay, so let's head on over to the reveal. I think this came out absolutely beautiful, and I hope you agree. Look at that gemstone. Unbelievable. That chain is gorgeous. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.